Do you want to know how you can download the Quizlet app on your phone? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download Quizlet on your Android device. Go ahead and open Play Store and go to the search bar and then search for Quizlet. Tap on Quizlet and then tap on Install. After a while, you can see that Quizlet will now be downloaded and will be installed. You can see that it has been downloaded and shortly after it will be installed. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can download and install Quizlet on your phone. Go to your Play Store and then go to search bar and then search for Quizlet. Tap on Quizlet and then tap on install. This way, Quizlet will install on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.